So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can solve this issue. You see this, my customer paid me $2.5, $2.5 from two different account, but you see this in status it's showing me in pending. You see this pending and pending. So in this video I will tell you this thing, why this thing happens, why when our customer pay us money, the money goes into hold in pending, how and how we can release this payment. So I will take you to this. Here PayPal also discussed about this issue, and so in I will tell you this thing in short. I'm like using PayPal from past 5 or 6 years, so I know this thing. So what this problem happens is, whenever your client or your customer is new, it's like he or she is new to PayPal, and PayPal has asked some documents to your customer, and your customer haven't submitted that document. It can be like identity verification document or banking documents or any type of document, and it's there in pending. They will check everything. So what you can do is tell your client or your customer to submit the required documents that is asked by the PayPal, and when it will be submitted, your issue will be completely solved. Or if you don't have any contact with your client or your customer, then what you can do is you can wait 4 to 5 days. So PayPal will verify this payment from their side. You don't have to do anything. They will verify the payment, they will verify the merchant, and release the payment to you. So there is no issue from your side, it's the issue from your client or customer side. And if the payment is in the pending stage, then don't do their work or don't deliver them the item, because in some cases this payment will go into cancel state also. So it's like you will not get any payment. If the PayPal will find some mistake there, then they will cancel it directly. So this is the thing. I hope this video is helpful for you, and this video has clear all of your doubts. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.